everyone! Today we're going to unbox one of our Hogwarts Homeschool Craft Kits. Registration for these kits begins at 10 a.m. on Tuesday, September 1st. Visit tcpl.ticketleap.com or look for the link soon on our website and social media pages. When you register, you'll be able to choose which Hogwarts house you belong to. Each kit comes with a few items that are specific to your house, so choose wisely. Today we're unpacking a Slytherin kit because that's my house. Let's get started. So first off in your bag you have your cover sheet that has a picture of all of the crafts that are in your kit as well as a list of everything. And then we have the Hogwarts Homeschool Handbook, which has instructions on creating all the crafts. So it comes with written instructions and pictures so you know how to make everything. And each kit will come with a button. So this is one of the things that's specific to your house. So I have a Slytherin button, but if you have like a Gryffindor kit, then you'll get a Gryffindor button, and the same with Hufflepuff and Ravenclaw. And each kit comes with a wand ready to go, but we also have a bag of supplies so you can decorate your wand. So we have some ribbons and some rhinestones, and the bag also has a wand care guide. So you can use this and read this to figure out how to take care of your wand, how to hold it, and how to store it. Your kit also comes with a book of spells. So this booklet has the name of the spell, how you move your wand to cast it, and what words you say, and what the wand or what the spell does. And then it also has a space for you to create your own spells. Are you ready to see some of the crafts that we have? Our first craft has these pieces. So these are to make your very own Hogwarts house banner. So here's a sample version. So this is a Ravenclaw one. So you can use those pieces to make a banner and decorate it however you want and completely personalize it. And then when you're finished, you can hang it up. So our next craft is going to be our charms class. So this one comes with shrink ink paper and some keychain pieces, and we also have some templates that you can use, so you can trace one of these designs or you can create your own designs for your shrinking inks. So here's a couple samples. We made some keychains of our own. So we have a Slytherin one and a Gryffindor one, and so when you're finished it will look something about like this. Alright, our next class is going to be Care of Magical Creatures. So for this class you have a bag with some different colors of felt, some googly eyes, and a notebook. And when you're finished it will look like this. So you'll make your own monster book of monsters, and on the inside is your notebook. So you can write your own notes in here, or if you want, we have some inserts that you can put in, so you can put in who it belongs to, write some notes, and then we also have some information about a phoenix. So the next class is herbology. So in this kit, this bag, we have a flower pot and some leaves and some foam and some clay, and what we'll use this for is to make our very own mandrake root, so you can shape him and design him and make him look however you want. Now our last class is going to be potions. So you'll get this bag that has your potion recipe, and then it also has your potion bottle and some sand and a funnel, and you can use that to design your very own potions sand art. So for this craft we have a couple of different colors, so you don't know what you'll get. It'll be a surprise potion inside. Now that's all our crafts, but we also have some activity sheets. So we have a coloring page, and we have they're all stuck. We have a daily profit activity page, so it has a bunch of activities on the front and on the back, all kinds of things. We have some other activities like a maze and a word search and an anagram puzzle. So there's all kinds of activities in these kits. And then when you have finished everything, you can fill out your Hogwarts certificate. to show that you have completely completed Hogwarts Homeschool. Well, that's everything. Remember, registration for Hogwarts Homeschool begins September 1st. Kits will be available to pick up via curbside service or in the library lobby from Tuesday, September 15th through Saturday, September 19th. Have a magical day!